Welcome to Teachermatic's tutorial series. Today we're diving into the updated rubric generator, a powerful tool designed to help you create detailed and flexible rubrics for assessing student assignments or projects. Let's explore how it works and how it can save you time while enhancing your assessments. Rubrics are essential for fair and consistent grading. They provide clear expectations for students and make the grading process more efficient for teachers. The rubric generator simplifies this task by allowing you to quickly customize performance criteria and scales, helping you focus on what matters most, your students. To locate the rubric generator, use the search box at the top of your Teachermatic dashboard. Simply type the word rubric. The search feature will look for this word in the titles and descriptions of all available generators, helping you find the one you need with ease. Once the rubric generator appears in the search results, click the Use button to launch the tool and get started. When the rubric generator opens, you'll see a form where you can enter assignment details. You can add an assignment title, an assignment file, or assignment text. For example, if your students are working on a group presentation, you might enter Group Presentations, Business Event Planning. Adding these details ensures that the rubric aligns with your assignment. Next, select the grading scale that fits your needs. Options include descriptive scales like excellent to poor, academic scales such as high distinction to fail, or numeric ranges like 0 to 9. For this example, let's choose excellent to poor. Now it's time to add the performance indicators, specific criteria you'll use to assess the assignment. For a group presentation, you might include collaboration, visual aids, subject knowledge, and eye contact. You can enter these indicators in two ways. Type them one by one, pressing enter after each item, or enter all the indicators in a single line separated by commas. Teachermatic's AI will automatically split them into individual items for you. If you're unsure what to include, the AI can suggest criteria based on the assignment details you provided. By adding your own, ensures the rubric is perfectly tailored to your needs. To ensure the rubric is appropriate for your learners, select a level that reflects the complexity of the assignment. Options include entry level, level 1, level 2, or level 3 and above. For instance, if you're grading advanced learners, select level 3. If you're unsure, you can leave this setting as non-specific. Once this step is complete, it's time to generate your rubric. Now it's time to generate your rubric. Click the Generate button, and the tool will create a detailed rubric based on the inputs you provided. In the preview section, you can review the rubric to ensure it aligns with your expectations. If the rubric doesn't meet your needs, you have two options. Click the Regenerate button to create a new rubric, or adjust the keywords or details you entered earlier. Then click Regenerate to refine the results. This flexibility ensures your rubric is perfectly customized to your assignment. Once you're satisfied with the rubric, click the Export button to download it. Export options include Microsoft Word for further customization, PDF for a polished, ready-to-use version, or Excel for organizing rubric data in a spreadsheet. Don't forget to click Save Result. This stores your rubric in the Saved Results section of your dashboard. From there, you can organize rubrics into folders, re-export them in different formats, or share them directly with colleagues. This feature ensures all your rubrics are easily accessible and well organized. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a customized rubric tailored to your students' needs. Teachermatic's rubric generator saves time, enhances feedback, and simplifies the assessment process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more tips and insights on how Teachermatic can simplify your teaching tasks.